Alright guys, so about to head to the tank to go brush my teeth and do all of the humanly hygienic things today.
Alright guys, and this video is about camping on the farm, so just stay tuned for that, and I'll cook some all-in-one in a coconut milk. I don't know if you wanna know it, like with dumpling and coconut milk with little saltfish and everything cooked in a one pot. Yeah, that's how we do everything in a one pot. So Jamaican people call it all-in-one. That's what we're doing today.
Yeah. Alright guys, so today on the menu is an all-in-one. So far we have the veggies cut up. We have onions, scallion, thyme, tomatoes. I wish we had some garlic, but we're currently out of that. And we have some jerk seasoning, all-purpose jerk, paprika, black pepper, salt. So this is what we're working with thus far. Alright. Yeah. Looking real seasoned.
Coconut milk, very rich and thick.
Bumbo cleats. I'm stepping in duck water, guys. I need to watch where I'm going.
So as I said, it's an all-in-one. Put some more water for it.
And guys, honestly, this is like, to me, the key component, because without the coconut milk, boy, that's so nice. Coconut milk just get that extra, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, so here's what we are working with here. We have a couple of broilers, which is a typical white chicken that people eat on every day. That's what we usually get in the restaurants and stuff. So these birds are good for meat and egg production. Oh my god. If you raise chickens, you know that they are always fighting. If you know, you know. These guys are off the chain sometimes. I have no idea why. And dun, 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 dun. Here are the newest additions. This is Mocha. Mocha. Say hi, Mocha. And this is Oreo down at the bottom. For obvious reasons. Her name's Oreo. So, Mocha and Oreo always beefing too. I have no idea. It's just a chicken thing. You know, one minute they're cool, next minute they eat chip. So, yeah. So moving along here, so I believe we have 15 chickens total now, but with the 2 additional now, 17. And dun, 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 dun. Don't mind the clothes hanging up, guys. Who do we have in there? So we have 2 Muscovies. My god, look at their friggin' faces. Guys, I don't know, we've been letting them forage lately, and they are just loving it, and they are foraging for earthworms and whatever else they have been eating lately. So yeah, these are 2 Muscovies. So 2 Muscovies and 17 chickens so far. Slowly but surely adding to the collection, you know. I don't really know how many chickens in total we plan on getting, but this is far from the final number, that's all I know. Snowy, my boy! There goes bad boy Snowy. Snowy! He's so cute. His head is not dirty. It's supposed to be silver. He has silver hair like Storm. And that is some brown coming on him. Now, who is that? Oh, that's 40. 40 is a Chinese bantam. He's the cutest little thing, but he's not that social like Snowy. And here's a broiler hen. She's weird. Her name's Latte though. And the man one, him with the giblets. I don't even know what they're called, guys. But he's Leche. So we have Latte and Leche are the fully white ones. So yeah. So definitely plan on getting more animals as soon as the funds allow us to do so, because with more animals, this is just a starter coop. So these guys are gonna need an official coop soon. And also with the other animals that we need, definitely gonna need to build like hutches and other coops for whatever else we need. So all coming soon, building slowly but surely. Yes sir. Hey 40. Hey 40. Alright guys, so we had a little bit of technical difficulties or whatever, but food done already now. Throwing some dumpling, some wild breadfruit, well some breadfruit in there, and you know, it's a vibe. So we're about to see the finished result. You'll see us eat it and try it out or whatever, because I haven't even tasted it yet. Usually I'd be getting some sneak taste, you know, but yeah man. So chef usher me over now for showing her the pots, so yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, or maybe you can't see, something up here, hating our spirit don't want us to be great, but you know we're gonna be great regardless.
Potting up tilt over. That's a danger with outdoor cooking. Sometimes it's fun and not stable. But I use them here because I shape my pot to like stabilize it. And one of them shift and the pot turn over. But the show must go on, so they're not spoiled though. You know, that's the lucky thing, some of the greater two coconuts, so the coconut milk is still thick.
Yeah, look how creamy that is,
yeah,
guys.
Look how creamy it still is, even though the thing dash way.
So all in one is basically kind of like a stew vibe.
Yeah.
We are missing a couple of things, but it still got taste nice. You know, usually we put some bean in there too. Right, chef? You throw some bean and what else you usually put in there? Where we're not.
Carrot and pumpkin, but we don't really have none of them things there right now. So I just breadfruit, wild dumpling, onions, scallion. Alright. Sorry about that. Onions, scallion, tomato, and yeah, we'd have some blend up seasoning too. Some jerk blend with garlic and whole heap of different things.
Yeah.
So that's nice too. So garlic and every other herb.
Yeah. So it's a vibe. What does that say? It's a good look. It's a good look, people.
And we roast half of the breadfruit. You can show them that.
Yeah.
So the half, we boil half, and anyone knows that half of breadfruit can roast. Anyone knows that half of breadfruit can roast. See half of roast. We have fry it later.
Yeah.
Cut it up and fry it.
I mash that up with some salt.
And
You don't know.
Breadfruit we fry it, not for fry it, not for roast good, yeah? You not for roast it right through, so this good enough.
Yeah.
Alright guys, one food share already. Look how it look. Pimento leaf in it, so them little leaf there, pimento. Right, you want dash right again, you see that?
Somebody I try to manifest with food.
The leaf of pimento leaf. Breadfruit, them little thing there.
Yeah. Stew smell good, you see guys?
Pimento. So the coconut milk make it so rich, could it? Yeah, and saltfish in it too. Oh, we tell them saltfish in it?
That me just did I got ask if we tell them.
Yeah, saltfish in it, guys. So that have a later now. 1, 2, 3 dumplings. Alright guys, so look how creamy it's getting.
Yeah, almost like a porridge texture.
Yeah, we got the coconut milk, but this is delicious.
And so is this. This is some fresh squeezed sour orange juice and sweet orange juice.
Yeah. Sour orange with sweet orange mixed together. Yeah, life on the farm, everything $3.99. We don't have to pay $1. Only sugar we have to buy.
Well, you pay your feet already.
Oh yeah, investment.
Yeah.
Just to clean up the land, so now we have free things to reap.
I could go with that juice.
Yeah.
Whoa, guys. Whoa.
Good?
Whoa.
I'm not too tasty.
Whoa. That's the first man I eat all in one, right? Sometime. You probably wonder why I argue. Sometimes I don't remember things, guys. I like life for myself. So, yo. Guys, sorry about that. Yeah, guys, sorry before I was rudely interrupted. This is amazing. Like, amazing. Like,
Yeah, but mad.
like, with the limited ingredients that we have here right now to make it, you know, can't tell us nothing short. I hate it. Boom. Oh, it's hot. Feel the fresh out of the It's hot. Just nice. Nice. Man, I tell you, not life. Really good. Like, selling on the streets, nice. Well, some people sell on the streets and really should not be selling nothing on the streets, but this is like 5-star quality, nice. Like, I'm not even gassing him. Like, anybody that knows me knows that I don't gas people, okay? You're gonna get it straight and narrow. So, yeah. Amazing. Well worth the praise. I shouldn't could have some, but you're not getting none. I'm just kidding, guys. One day we plan on having like an inner child retreat here, setting up the place, building up some cabins, so you all can come and vibe with us from time to time. You know?
Yeah, it's gonna off-grid. Cook everything. We're not gonna get the full experience of off-grid life with us.
Yeah, we
Cooking,
can pick things.
reaping, everything.
Yeah.
Planting if you don't want to plant seeds,
Yeah.
plant seedlings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we want to plant things and then check up on one plant, we will sell you like especially if you don't live here and you live overseas, we'll send you like the progress of your plants and all that stuff. It's just gonna be a whole vibe.
Yeah.
A whole vibe. Those are you guys. If you're into spirituality too, Ro and I, we're very into it. So basically,
yeah, we get 2 new chicken and them come from the same yard and all them are just fight. I don't understand.
yeah,
So I put them in a little isolation coop because we can't put them in with it.
with the other guys,
So I'm gonna beat them up.
yeah, and now they're fucking beating up each other. Like, make it make sense. I don't get it.
Yeah.
We try to promote peace and spirits, because I'm saying spirits because it's not even just people, right? We're all governed by a spirit, right?
Yeah,
You
true.
try to freaking create peace and fucking certain spirits just do not want peace. Like, whether you're a fucking human, you're an animal, you're an insect, like whatever, some spirits just do not want peace no matter what. I'd rather be a raging demon, okay? And honestly, these chickens, I'm gonna say that I'm a spirit of a demon. So yeah.
Yeah.
Ro's more annoyed than me. I'm trying to tune him out, but yeah, guys. So, only thing that's missing, honestly, would be some fucking weed to make it an infused dish. Weed buns, excellent with coconut milk. With no
Yeah.
fatty.
One of the best things for bun with coconut milk. Like that make you higher than anything else. No last kind of Betty. No bun with the weed good like the coconut milk.
Yeah.
Maybe the fat content of the coconut.
Alright, if I cook a dish with what is butter. Tarzan be like. No, but I can sing better than I can jack like that. Alright, guys, so we're approaching the river. Just wanted y'all to see. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Why? The master them might kill me, guy. I'm not lie. Why?